The cord is a 3-wire, 18-gauge cord. Power cords tend to receive lots of abuse. The cord can be cut, nicked, internally damaged, or have the prongs broken off. A damaged cord should be immediately replaced to avoid an electric shock. Replacing the cord is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing half of the rear handle housing. With the cover removed, I have access to the wire connections. I'll go ahead and remove the strain relief next. I'll remove the ground wire. I'll pull the switch from the housing and remove the white wire and black wire. I'll take note of the location of each wire. And I'll remove the cord guard. Now I can begin prepping the new cord for installation. You'll notice on the old cord, the grounding wire has an eyelet, and the hot and neutral wires have a connector crimped onto the ends. I don't have any of these crimp connectors, so what I'll do is tin the wires, that is to apply solder to the new wires to make them hard. The first thing I'll do is cut the new wires down to length. I'll use the old cord as a gauge. When I removed the old cord, I noticed that the wires were a little bit tight, so I'm going to add just a small amount onto the new cord. Now I'll take the ground wire, strip off about a 1/4 inch of the insulation, and install a new eyelet. The eyelet crimps into place. On the black and white wires, again I'll strip back the insulation, in this case about 5/16 of an inch. And now I can tin those wires. I'm going to clamp the wire into a small vise. This just makes it a little easier to handle the solder gun and solder. Now I'll apply some flux. The flux makes the solder flow easier. Now I'll heat the wire and apply the solder. And I'll do the second wire. With the cord ready to go, I'll reinstall the cord guard and reconnect the wires. First the black wire, then the white, and the grounding wire. I'll place the cord guard back into the housing, tuck the wires out of the way, and reinstall the strain relief. And I'll finish by reinstalling the housing. And that's how easy it is to install a new power cord on your power tool. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up.
And leave a comment.